Hey guys, today we're going to be making a phone out of paper. Now first things first, we need the paper, pencils, and something to color with. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is add the outlines to our phone. So we make a line here, and go down. Then make another line here, and again. Now once we have done that, we're gonna add the different apps that are on the phone. So let's add a bunch of different squares. Now let's add the pictures to it. Okay, now we have finished our phones and all of our apps. And also you guys can add your own details to these phones just to make it look better. Now the next thing we have to do is, it's a color! We're done making our paper phones. Now the next thing we have to do is to cut it out. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now we are done with our phones. Now, we can start calling each other with these paper phones.
Who is it?
Hey, it's me, Matthew. Say, have you subscribed to our channel yet?
Oh yes, I have subscribed to our channel.
Oh, have you guys subscribed to our channel? Don't forget to like,
Like and subscribe.
bye.